Hey UAW, I'm Ben Dichter, an attorney at Eisner, Dichter & La Madrid. For those of you who don't know me, I'm proudly serving as legal counsel for the UAW, and I'm here to share some basic facts with you about what it means to work under an expired agreement. As part of the stand-up strike, some of us will be working without a contract. This is an essential part of our strategy to keep the companies off balance by calling locals out on strike based on what is happening in negotiations. That will keep them guessing and turbocharge your national negotiators in bargaining with the big three. Here's what you need to know about working without a contract. Most of your contract is still in effect, and management cannot change terms and conditions of work in your workplace. You do not become an at-will employee. You still have just cause, and you can't be fired or disciplined for no reason. You still have the grievance procedure. Management cannot reduce your wages and benefits or change past practices. In fact, management must maintain the status quo. There are only a few areas in which management and the union can make changes unilaterally. What are those areas? First, the no strike, no lockout clause. This clause expires, which allows our union to call on a local to stand up and strike at a moment's notice. Another change is that management can refuse to take grievances filed after the contract expires to arbitration. However, that doesn't mean the union doesn't have a way to settle a grievance. We can file charges with the National Labor Relations Board, and if the issue is significant enough, we can even strike. The Management's Rights Clause also expires, and this is important. That means our union can force management to engage in extensive bargaining over job assignments, schedules, workloads, and other day-to-day matters. Union activists should be on the lookout for any attempt by management to make unilateral changes to mandatory subjects of bargaining. Mandatory subjects of bargaining are things that directly impact wages, hours, or working conditions, and the list of examples is long. Examples include wages, disciplinary rules, job assignments, layoffs, subcontracting, overtime pay, shift premiums, incentive pay, bonuses, break time, workload, seniority, health and safety, vacation, personal time, health benefits, your pension, profit sharing, work rules, even the prices of food in the snack machines. That list might sound long, but it's far from exhaustive. All of those examples fall under mandatory subjects of bargaining, and management is required by law to bargain with the union to impasse as part of a complete agreement. So if you notice management making changes to any of those working conditions, then you should immediately notify your local leadership. For the most part, your life working under an expired agreement should not change. And importantly, you maintain the right to organize. This has always been your most powerful tool. Our greatest protection is each other. That means you and your coworkers can continue to organize red t-shirt days, rallies, and other actions as part of your campaign to win a fair contract. For more information on what it means to work under an expired contract and how we are standing up together to win a record deal, visit www.uaw.org.